So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is e power x by 1 plus e power x. And I1 is integration f minus a to f a x times g of x into 1 minus x. I2 is f minus a to f a just g of x into 1 minus x dx. You're asked to find I2 by I1. So how do we do this? Again we use the properties of definite integral. First we try to observe something. Is there any relation between f of minus a and f of plus a? So f of minus a is nothing but e power minus a by 1 plus e power minus a. That is equal to 1 by e power a by 1 plus 1 by e power a, that is e power a plus 1 by e power a. So these two gets cancelled. That is equal to 1 by 1 plus e power a, right? So f of minus a is 1 by 1 plus e power a. And f of a is e power a by 1 plus e power a. Now as you can see, if you add these two, f of a plus f of minus a is equal to. So if you add these two, you get 1 plus e power a by 1 plus e power a, which is equal to 1. So this is an important thing that you need to observe in this question. F of minus a plus f of a is equal to 1. And the property now that I'm going to use is integration from a to b f of x dx is equal to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? So now I'll use this property in I1. So I1 is equal to integration from f of minus a to f of a. So what can I do? I can substitute x with f of a plus f of minus a minus x. That is 1 minus x. F of a plus f of minus a is 1. So I can substitute x with 1 minus x. So 1 minus x times g of, so this function does not change because x becomes 1 minus x. 1 minus of 1 minus x is x. So now it becomes 1 minus x into x, which is same as x into 1 minus x dx. So this implies, now this is I1, this is also equal to I1. So now if I add these two, I get 2I1 is equal to x into g of x into 1 minus x minus x into g of x into 1 minus x gets cancelled. So you get integration from f of minus a to f of a just g of x into 1 minus x dx, which is same as I2. So I2 by I1 is equal to 2 is the right answer. I2 by I1 is equal to 2. Thank you.